This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Suicide Bridge Restaurant.
There is something about a glistening and bright piece of fresh fish that just gets your mouth watering, and it's made even better when it's being prepared by a skilled chef.
That's right, one like Thomas O'Neill from Suicide Bridge Restaurant. Not like him, but he's actually here in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen.
In the flesh.
That's right. Flesh. And we have some glistening fish, so what are we going to do?
We got some mahi here, and we're going to pan sear it. Put a little bit of oil in the pan.
So what is it about mahi-mahi? Is it a light fish?
It's more of a meaty fish, like a steak fish.
Okay.
Like a steak fish.
A steak
Yeah.
fish, yeah.
Yeah,
Not
like
one that's
think like
flaky or falls apart. It's different than that.
yeah, think like tuna or like mako shark or any of the meatier fishes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get that searing,
Okay.
and then can you cut some tomatoes up for me?
Okay, how do you want them cut?
Let's see.
Like cubed or sliced or?
Just
Because
kind
this is a Mediterranean, what did you call it?
relish.
Relish, okay.
Yeah, you're just kind of rough like that. There
You
we
did
go.
that really fast.
That was almost like the way when my dad told me to do something. I'd be like, how do you do that? And then he'd do it to show me, and then it'd be done. I wouldn't have to do it.
You wouldn't have to do it right.
No, it's here. Oh,
That was
oh,
okay, I'm okay.
Careful.
Hit my finger.
So how are things at Suicide Bridge Restaurant?
Busy.
Time of year, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yep.
Good times out there in the tiki deck, tiki park?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yep.
And how are the crabs this year?
Crabs are great.
Are they?
Yeah, there's plenty of them. They're nice and fat.
Ooh, we like fat crabs.
Yep.
And as far as crab season's concerned, it's not, I mean, it's relatively early, right? Mid-season?
Midway through it, yeah.
Okay. Because I know that you go, what, to end of October?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, usually.
All right. You're not waiting on me, are you? Is that enough?
Yeah.
You saw me almost cut my finger off, so you're like, let's just get this going. Let's just get this going along.
There we go.
All right.
All right. Now, if you want to add
Oh, you got it.
those capers.
Capers, all of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
And those olives.
Olives, which are black olives.
Pepperoncinis.
And this is nice for, like we said, sitting out on by the tiki bar, nice summer day. You've got a cool Mediterranean.
Yeah, light,
sun.
refreshing, all that stuff. And we're going to flip that.
Am I going to be stirring this up? I can grab a spoon.
Yeah.
So, okay. And anything else to add to it?
Yeah, so about a quarter of that lemon zest.
Okay. I have a lot of lemon zest.
And then squeeze that lemon juice into it.
I have weak hands. Both lemon slices or
Yeah.
halves?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Get that seed out.
Looks like we got a little bit of fresh basil going in there.
That's right. Love basil in the summertime.
Oh, nothing says summertime like basil. All right.
And then
Oh,
we're
we're going to rough cut it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm no longer allowed to touch the knife.
Got to keep all your fingers intact.
I know.
But he's a professional, as you can see, the way he dices that so easily.
And there. And then just give that a stir.
Give it a stir. I can do that without harming myself.
I hope so.
Can't make any promises. Okay, and so you've turned that over. Oh, wow, it's looking good.
Yep.
Okay.
And then from here, we just got to plate it and eat it.
That's all there is to it. Very simple dish, actually.
All right.
That's right.
Time of year.
Yeah. All right, well, let's go ahead and take a little break. And then when we come back, we're going to plate it, eat it, and talk more about Suicide Bridge Restaurant. Stick around.
This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Suicide Bridge Restaurant.
Summer is all about bright colors, light flavors, and plenty of fresh ingredients. And this Mediterranean relish checks all of the boxes. Check this out. It's part of what we've been up to in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen with Chef Thomas O'Neill from Suicide Bridge Restaurant. I think we're coming down the home stretch here, right?
I mean, I think it's time to eat. Are you hungry?
That's am I hungry? I'm always hungry.
Silly question.
Put that on there.
Okay.
We've got our fish complete.
That's right. And then we're just going to put some of that relish on top.
Lisa, you did a fabulous job on that relish.
Oh, well, thank you.
It looks wonderful.
And again, you know, we talked about there in the lead-in, but the colors, it really does kind of just give it that wow factor when you put that on the
Yeah,
plate.
it's nice and vibrant and light.
And then with the lemon zest and the tomato and the lemon, it all kind of lightens it up as well, right?
Yeah, for sure. Yep.
Yeah. All right. Well, you know,
Again.
we got to stop talking and start eating.
And we were saying this is the perfect dish to, you know, for summertime, for out on the patio out there on the deck
Yeah.
at Suicide Bridge, and get yourself a cocktail, and you're all set.
That's right, yeah.
But you also have the dinner cruises.
Yep, we got dinner cruises, we got crab feed cruises, we have lunch cruises. You know, it's all about crab.
And for folks who don't know, those are the paddle boats that you have. that
Yes,
go
sir.
out.
Yep.
Oh, that is delicious.
Oh, wow. We're both
Speechless.
mid-too.
Everybody's speechless.
I'm speechless. I don't know what to say of it. It was really, really good.
Good.
And you're right. It is a meaty fish.
Yeah.
It's not a flaky fish. So
And that kind of balances out with the lightness of the relish, you know what I mean?
yeah,
But I mean, you could put that relish on anything if you wanted to.
Sure.
I would just eat it
mean,
alone. It's that good.
Right.
Yeah, and of course you use all fresh vegetables and
Yes, ma'am. Yep.
as much local as you can get.
That's right. Yep.
And as far as the seafood goes, I mean, it doesn't get any fresher. You guys are right
no,
there
this-
on the water.
Yeah, this time of year, yeah. The rockfish, the flounder, all of it.
So, and it's a good year, right?
Yeah.
For the most part?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, well, this is amazing. So tell us how we can get some of this at Suicide Bridge Restaurant.
You have to come to the restaurant?
Come to the restaurant, show up and ask for it.
That's
is that
right.
I want that mahi that was made on DelmarvaLife on Thursday.
That's right.
And they'll know what you're talking about.
They will.
And you always talk about how to get there, how to find it, right?
Yes.
GPS?
GPS.
Or helicopter.
Helicopter, that works.
Yeah.
Take
You
a
can get there
submarine.
by boat.
Yeah, boat,
I mean,
submarine.
You do have,
yeah.
yeah, there you go. There you go. Chef Thomas O'Neill, Suicide Bridge Restaurant. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
I think we are going to finish this off before the show's over.
Absolutely.
Stick around. More Delmarva Life up next.